Hi guys, I'm sure you all heard of Bosch, right? Anything from wipers, light bulbs, braking systems, and belts, solenoids, horns. Basically, they are the biggest automotive parts supplier to all the major car makers, BMW for example, right? And today, I'm in one out of their 65 service centers across the nation, and this is the latest edition, Sime Darby Auto Selection. So this place, they actually sells quality used cars with warranty as well. A lot of people didn't know that their workshop is actually open for business. Any car can come here. All right, so I'm gonna bring my car in today to have some of the things done. I'll show you later. But before that, let's have a look at this place. All right, Sime Darby Auto Selection is where you can actually come here, check out all these quality used cars that have gone through all their stringent inspection process. And of course, they refurbish up their cars before they hand it over to you, and you get it with a warranty as well. So look at that, that's a Honda S660, all right? And not only this floor, all the cars out there and upstairs as well. There's a lot of them. So not just buying cars over here, you can actually come here and get your car serviced with quality Bosch products, all right? They have engine oils, they have, like I mentioned just now, wipers, belts, solenoids, valves, pumps, you name it, all right? So, and look at this. Oil filters, all right? Quality stuffs. So, given that they are a supplier to all the major car manufacturers in the world, you can expect the same quality. And in fact, they are OEM equivalent in everything that they do. So, guess you know what that means, right? When you buy OEM equivalent, you get the quality, but you get some savings as well. All right? Let's go upstairs and check out what other cars they have over here. And check this out, this is the X635i 3-liter turbo engine. I think it's N55. And back then it cost like what, 700,000 ringgit. And over here, a quality one like that, 200-ish. And guess what? Let's say you have a 3-liter BMW and you come over to Sime Darby Auto Selection here, the Bosch service center over here, and you service your car. Guess how much it costs for a full service with fully synthetic oil, with quality OEM equivalent products, oil filters and all that from Bosch? It costs 500-ish. Yes. If your car is a 2-liter, it's 400-ish. So there are a plethora of choices, all right? And of course, this is not their full stock yard. For their full stock yard, you can actually log on to their website, all right? I'm gonna put the link down there and check it out yourself, all right? Okay, so now I'm gonna put my car in and then we're gonna head over to the back, all right? Just to let you guys check out Sime Darby Auto Selection's Bosch service area. Thank you. Say, come on, let's go. If you're not me, you're not allowed to enter, all right? But now it's their lunchtime, we go in and have a peek. So guess what? It just looks like any other workshop, right? But the thing is this, a place like this, certified under Bosch, is gonna be clean, everything's gonna be systematic, everything's gonna be proper, according to the actual manufacturer's standards, all right? This is what they practice. It's not that kind of workshop that you see around your neighborhood, right? As you can see, there are Hondas over here, BMWs over here, Volkswagens over here, Mercedes-Benzes over here. Basically, whatever car you drive, you can actually come here and get your service done. All your maintenance needs, because they have the diagnostic tools for all these. And look at all the stocks they have. Come over here and check it out. And hoo-hoo, look what I saw. And of course, after a proper service, they have to clean up the car, right? Look at this beautiful M5. Oh, what a car, what a car. Hey guys, just now as I walk in, right, I totally missed this out. Look at this. Look at this beautiful M Sport rim. All right, one whole set. Do you know how much they cost if you were to buy from BMW? 30,000. This is a 20-inch, 225, and that looks a bit thicker. That should be a 255, all right? And these are brand new P0s. Nice. And over here, look at that. That's a 20-inch P0 as well. And how much is it? 16,000. These are brand new. Tires and rims, 16,000. This is 20,000, all right? And this is even bigger. This is 21-inch, 275, all right? These M Sport rims are for sale over here, and you save a lot, right? Nice. So while you have your car being serviced, you can actually, not many workshops have this. Oh. Get a cup of coffee, sit down, do your work, wind down, check your phone while your car is being serviced. And yep. So while sitting here waiting for my car to get it done, having a coffee, and look at this. This is all their stocks. So you can scroll through here and look through whichever that interests you. Right? For those of you who are not aware, Bosch is not just an equipment supplier to car makers. They invented a lot of things. A lot of components in cars are invented by them. Case in point, ABS. They were the first to start make it, and it's now mandatory on every single car out there, and it saves thousands of lives every single day. Okay, so while my car is being serviced back there, subscribe to my channel and follow me, because part 2 of this video, I'll bring you guys through all the little things that I'm changing on my car over at here. All right, that will be the next video. Cheers.